Hi guys, welcome to the Alpha channel. Today's video is going to be a very interesting one. It's kind of different from my other videos because this particular video is something I'm supposed to be doing secretly, not sharing with anybody. I want to build a blog platform that I'm going to use for affiliate marketing, and it is a thing I want to do this month. The whole process, I already have it in my head. I want to use ChatGPT to create the content on the blog platform, then put links of products in that blog platform. The blog platform is going to be on health niche, and I'm going to push traffic from various traffic sources right to the blog, and people are going to read the content on the blog and buy products using my affiliate link. Now, this is not something I'm doing for the first time. I've made thousands of dollars from affiliate marketing, and it is something I know how to do very well. The beautiful thing about this challenge I am giving myself is that I want to do this from the scratch without any capital, and I've started to an extent. I've created the WordPress blog site. In fact, I've started getting the articles on ChatGPT and posting them. If I open my ChatGPT right now, you see I've been working around the clock. Like, I've been putting a lot of articles on health related content on the WordPress blog site. But while I was putting these articles, something came to my mind. I had a thought that why don't I share this process with people following me on YouTube so that they can actually learn, because most of the time what you guys see, you see the result, but the process of how we get this result you guys do not know. So I know some people might be interested to learn affiliate marketing, and this could be a process for you to learn affiliate marketing. So what I'll be doing is I'll be teaching you guys step by step in short videos the stuff I do and why I do them to achieve my result in affiliate marketing. Now, there are a lot of affiliate marketing platforms. For those of you that don't know what affiliate marketing is basically selling other people's products and collecting a commission in return. So you did not create a product. It could be a digital product, it could be a physical product, it could be a course, it could be an health product. But when people buy that product through your link, you get a commission for selling that product. Now, there are a lot of affiliate platforms. We have ClickBank, we have JVZoo, Max Bounty, Nutri Profit, we have Digistore24. We have a lot of affiliate platform. Even in Nigeria, we have Partner and some other affiliate platform. But me personally, I like promoting affiliate products that are foreign, so that I can earn my money in dollars, so that I can actually make my money in dollars. But for the sake of this particular challenge I'm giving myself, I want to build an affiliate platform, particularly a blog that I can promote health related products, because in affiliate marketing there are three areas that we make majority of our money from. We make from health, we make from wealth, we make from relationship. It doesn't mean that other areas we cannot make money from them, but these three areas are areas that we make money from. And me personally, I just want to make some cool dollars this year, and I want to just challenge myself a little, because I've been doing more of trading, more of making YouTube videos. I've been doing other stuff, and it's been a while I did affiliate marketing. Like I told you guys, in this particular challenge I'm embarking on, this affiliate marketing challenge that I'm giving myself, right? I'll be using two affiliate platforms, Nutri Profit and ClickBank. Now, I'm going to be using ClickBank because ClickBank is the biggest affiliate marketing platform in the world, and that is where I've made my most money from affiliate marketing. I've made thousands of dollars from ClickBank, and in Naira they are almost more than millions. So I'm going to do the traffic. So I'm basically going to push products from ClickBank, and I'm going to use Nutri Profit because I've made some couple of dollars from Nutri Profit, and because of the kind of blog I want to create and the kind of content I want to make, I want them to be targeted to the health niche. So I'm going to get a lot of health products on Nutri Profit. So what I'm going to do is, if you want to create your account on Nutri Profit, just come to nutriprofit.com, click on the sign up button, and just follow the sign up process. It's totally free, and you can connect it to your Payoneer or to your foreign bank account. Right now, when you do that, you have a Notary Profit account, and you can log in. When you log in, if you have created your account, you're going to see your dashboard. You can see that for a while I've not been promoting anything. I still have like $44 in my total unpaid commission. The money I've not withdrawn, I mean, the money I've not withdrawn from this platform is $44. And you can see the products that are here. You can see products that are in this platform. You have the ones of blood sugar, weight loss, male enhancement, acne, fresh bread, joint health, weight loss, energy drink, cholesterol, menopause. There are a lot of health products here, and promoting this product, the commission are around 30%, 40%, 30% money you make from every sale you make from those products. However, for ClickBank, majority of the product I'll promote on ClickBank, they'll be giving me 70%. So from this ClickBank dashboard, you can see I'm currently in the ClickBank market space, and this is my own ClickBank account. The only problem is that you cannot create a ClickBank account in Nigeria. Nigerians are not allowed on ClickBank, except there is a way we do it that we can help you get a ClickBank account. I've helped a lot of people to create a ClickBank account from watching my videos. They contact me and I help them, but it's not free. You're going to pay money. So if you are interested in that one, you can contact me. If not, you can use only Notary Profit. But if you want ClickBank, then you can contact me. The benefit of ClickBank is that majority of the products that are there, the commission, you can get up to 70% commission. So most of the products in the health niche are around $100, $150 and so when you make one sale, instead of you getting like $30, maybe $20, you can get up to $70, or you can even get $100 from those products. So I'm going to open the products on the health niche, and you see the tons of products in ClickBank too that you can promote. So you look at this Apalin, this particular product, if you want to promote this product, the average price, the price of the product is $138. So for every sale you make, you can be making as much as $80 per sale. This is why I like ClickBank, and their payment is very, very on point. Look at the most of the product here, like $129, $136, $126. ProDentin, this one is for dental problem. So you can promote this product for people that have teeth issue, dental problem. Ikaria juice is for weight loss. You can promote this product. These are products that are converting eye. This is like an erectile dysfunction supplement for people that have testosterone problem, men that cannot perform sexually, those kind of stuff, right? This is a titanus program. So they have a lot of good products on ClickBank. That is why me personally, I like ClickBank, and it is on ClickBank I've made my highest amount of money in affiliate marketing. And the way we'll be promoting this product is that we're going to build a blog using WordPress, and we're going to use ChatGPT to create the content and put on the blog. The blog will be free, ChatGPT will be free, everything will be free. It's not going to be an easy process, but if you guys follow me step by step and you take actions, you follow my steps, you do whatever I'm doing, I'm sure that you're going to get results too, right? So I'll be showing you guys progress, everything. Right now you can see that in the ClickBank account, right at the moment, the particular ClickBank I'm using, I don't have any money. I've not made money for a while. You can see that it's $0, no sale. So when the sales start coming in, you guys will also witness it, right? In the Notary Profit, you can see that all I have in that Notary Profit account is $44 that I've not withdrawn, so that when the sales start coming in, you guys would witness it. But this is where I'm going to end this first video. In my next video, I'll be showing you guys how to set up a free WordPress blog step by step. You're not going to spend one kobo. You're not paying for domain name, you're not paying for domain hosting. Everything is free. I've even created one already, but I'm going to teach you guys. For those people that will watch this video later and they want to continue, or they want to do their own affiliate marketing, these are things that we have learned over the years, and I'll be giving you guys this content totally for free. All you need to do is to watch this video. If you want to join the challenge, just write I want to join the challenge. You understand? And if you're interested, you want me to continue to drop content, just write drop more content, give us update on the challenge, so that I'll know that you guys really want us to do this stuff, and I can be making videos and showing you guys step by step how the challenge is going. You don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on. If you have any question whatsoever, you can leave that in the comment section. I will do it to answer all your questions, and I hope to see you guys in my next video, where I give you another interesting content.